Hello and welcome to Insomni'hack, our yearly cybersecurity event here at the Swiss Tech Convention Center in Lausanne. It's now our 17th edition. This year we've had about 1,200 participants for the talks, and we're expecting nearly 800 people for the CTF, which is by far our biggest event yet.
I've been wanting to go to Insomni'hack for a few years.
Really?
So yeah, it's been on my conference wish list. It's a cool vibe. It's lots of really interesting technical talks.
I think Insomni'hack is one of the better conferences. It's also different viewpoints from different countries.
I'm attending Insomni'hack since I think almost a decade now. It's a huge event as every year.
Encountering nice people, making good connections, I think. It's very nice.
It's full of early stage company, large enterprise, medium enterprise. When I saw the opportunity to join, I jumped.
So we're at the Swiss Tech Conference Center still, now at the CTF part of the Insomni'hack event. We just started a few minutes ago, so everybody's kind of discovering the challenges and figuring out what they have to do throughout the night.
I guess the goal is to have fun mainly and to not be last on the scoreboard.
Placing top 10 would be nice.
Top 10? Yeah, that's basically winning.
Dans les logs qu'on a reçus, tu ressors 62%, tu vois.
Mais c'est vrai ça?
Ouais, c'est de vrai ça, c'est de vrai data, mec.
Non, c'est arrête.
As you might expect, there were quite a few requests to AI models during
Well, it certainly makes certain tasks easier, let's say it like that. I wasted all of my evening trying to get this challenge to work, and I finally managed to get it to work. That should not have worked, by the way.